Read and nag-allow na inside the accommodation.
First, let me introduce the blue water. So we all know that blue water has different various types of accommodation. This resort offers a range of rooms from basic deluxe rooms to luxurious suites and royal bungalows. We have also amenities like spa, private beach, and different restaurants. So my observation on the tour, there's some other rooms that the entrance is too narrow, and some other balconies wasn't that good enough for the view, and the door of our bathroom is broken. That is all of my opinion.
So Blue Water has this type of rooms. So they have the deluxe rooms. Deluxe rooms, Amoas bathroom, their deluxe room, Royal Bungalow, is between deluxe and junior suite. So in our case, they give us the deluxe room, which is good for person, right? They have 2 double beds, private shower, including private showers, air conditioning, and private bathroom. They have also the what you call this, the mini bar, yeah. They have also the mini bar. That includes the drinks. Then upon entering the room, they have put 4 complimentary water, and we have also the coffee table so that the guests will mix the coffee if they want to drink the coffee. So our room have a balcony, which is nice. We have the ocean view. So they have the pool view, and garden view. And the room have the width of 32 meters squared, which is good enough for 4 person. That's all. And the next presenter will be transportation.
Transportation. So airport to Lowato Maribaco is 11 kilometers from if you travel via car it's 23 minutes. So airport to Maribaco, then if you travel via motorcycle it's 22 minutes, and if you travel via bus it's 44 minutes. And from here to Maribaco it's 26 kilometers, and if you travel via car it's 40 minutes, and travel via motorcycle is 40 minutes, and if you travel via bus it's 1 hour and 50 minutes.
From October to Blue we have type of competition, bus, car, or boat. And if you travel by car, it's around 22 minutes, and if you travel bus, 24 around 18 meters. And my initial experience in our tour, travel by bus, the Natalie bus is good, it's functional, and everything is good.
So next we're going to report food and beverage like So today everyone, today I'm gonna talk about the food and beverage. So Maribago Blue Resort have 5 features restaurant that including the Allegros, Taco, Oyster Bar, Pizzeria Delfinos, and Akuman. So first we gonna talk about Mars Daily, and it's popular for its own place. Next, we have it's a live seafood restaurant, so like you can eat here like I mean like fresh seafoods that you want, and it's hard. And for lunch, it's open 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. and dinner starting at 6 p.m. until 10 p.m. daily. Next, we have the oyster bar. And so for the word oyster, like you can eat here a fish oyster, and they have different kinds of drinks like juices and fresh salad and happy hours specials. Open daily from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. Next, we have the Pizzeria Delfino's. Delfino's is an Italian restaurant. So for the word Italian, they serve pizza and pasta. And they also have fresh salads, sandwiches, and any kind of dessert. So it's also a daily open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Next, we are at Los Angeles, the Amuba Choice Bar. The word Amuba is a place for a live fair to Amuba Spa, because they have a spa, and it's right behind the Amuba Juice Bar. The word juice bar, they have a fresh juice here, like different kind of juice, and they have a fresh, because like they have like also vegetable juice, and it can make it sweet, so that they can split to their guests, and that's all.
So of course, from Marilago, water resort also has recreational and leisure activities so that guests can have fun and adventures on the resort. So if a guest or if you want to go swimming on the water, they open their swimming pools and island beaches are open for the guests. So we have three kinds of swimming pool, which is inspired by the hook shaped pools. And if you want to go, if you want an activity like an aquamania, leisure activity, so you can also try jet skiing, scuba diving, snorkeling, and island hopping. They also have beach volleyball, life-size chess, board tennis, playground at the rope, and personal kayak. And also, not just like that, but there are also activities which is a spa and wellness that you can try. So they have Amonga Spa offers a traditional Filipino therapies, and guests have access to hot tubs, steam bath, sauna, watershed pool, and also a gym.
So, Ashley Borsted traditional adventure of town. Blue Water Maribago town. So I'm going to talk about the process of activities in the Maribago. So kayak or tube is 100 per hour. So if you want to chill and have your friends go on an hour, that's the 6,000 per hour. Banana boat is 100 per hour. 8,000. Parasailing is 6,000 with tandem for 15 minutes. Snorkeling sets without fins is 250 whole day. And with fins is 500 per day. So beach is open from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. And then pool is 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Amonga pool, garden pool, and the main pool are the private island is 6 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Traditional and leisure of Rosa Maribago are open in Monday to Friday are open on 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and weekdays is open on 10 a.m. also and 1 p.m. Most of their recreational activities are created in outside like the kids and banana boat and palm boat also.
So based on my experience, I thought it's 5 weeks, so I really grown sa 5 weeks pool sa Amonga pool.
So next is the nice. So Blue Water Maribago Resort If you want to have